Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. This is my second tutorial of batch programming, and in the last tutorial we have seen to creating a file and displaying simple text to the file in batch programming. And today we are going to watch something which is called as a start command. Start command in the batch programming is useful to open any application as per your requirement. So if you want something like whenever you click any batch file which you have created, if you want something like after clicking that batch file you have to open notepad, you have to open paint or something application, so you can use that command to start. It is also useful to open any browser, open any website according to your condition. So how to use batch start command in the batch file is simple. You just have to type start, okay, and the application name you want. If you just specify the start and leave it as it is, and if you open your file, that is I have compiled file, that is first.bat. If you click on that, it will open up a new CMD. So whenever you are typing just start, it will open a new CMD for you. One thing that I'm going to tell you is that whenever you open the start and whenever you give a space and give a dot and saving the file, it will open a Windows Explorer for you. So whenever you type start space dot, it will open a Windows Explorer. So whenever you execute this file, it will open a Explorer for you. Okay. Another command is that start and any program which we want to open, uh, that program name, that is I am going to open notepad. So notepad dot with the extension, that is exe. Just save the file, and whenever you open again that file, it will open a notepad for you. So if you change this to something called mspaint.exe and just save your file and click on that file, it will open paint for you. So you can open any uh, application as per your requirement. um, if you want to open something like facebook.com, then you can type here, that is link. If you go to Google and if you copy this or URL, just go and copy that URL, and when you paste it over here and just save the file, and whenever you are going to double click on that file, it will open facebook.com in your browser. Okay, so it is very useful to open any application, explorer or any browser in or any website for you. One thing you have to remember is that you can add multiple start command as per your requirement. Okay, so I am just opening google.com, and also I am opening notepad.exe. So whenever you click on this file, it will open Google, and it will also open a notepad for you. So this is how it works. You can use multiple start command within your document. The next thing I want to tell you is that whenever you are working with the start command, you have three options to be filled out. Whenever you are using start, you can give a title for the start performance, that is I'm using a notepad. If you are using another start, you can give a title like a paint or something, and any paint.exe. So whenever you mspaint.exe, so whenever you just run that file. It will open both files, that is Paint and Notepad. It is just useful to give a title for that specific process, so it gives a title. There is no use for that. If you are using want to use three attributes of start command, then you can have a /min, /max and /width. So what is exactly meaning of this attribute is that whenever you include something called as /min, that is in after start, you have to include /min and notepad.exe. I'm just opening one application at a time, so just include start /min and any application name. So whenever you save this file and open your bat file, it will open up a command prompt, but you will see the notepad.exe is not maximized. It go and minimize over here. Okay, so if you want something like a program should be open, but it should be open at a minimize, it should be open in a minimize term. So if I am using MS Paint, if I am closing this application and running this application, it will open up a Paint but in the minimize status. Okay, so this is like that. If you want something like program to be open in maximized state, then you can use max. So just change this to max. Just save your file, open that bat file. It will open the Paint in the maximize manner. Okay, so this is two commands. The next command is a wait. The wait command is useful when you are working with the two start commands. If you are using a single start and wait and application name and opening, you will not get anything that same working as other command. But if you are working something like start slash, also we are including notepad.exe, so this is two application going to open in this case. So I'm just going to run this, so it will open a Paint for you. Now you can see I have included here MS Paint and a Notepad, two applications, but this is opening only one application. Why is it so? Because of this wait command. It will wait until you close this application. Once you close this Paint application, it will open a second task, that is notepad.exe. So I'm going to close this application, so it will open a notepad.exe. So how it works, the start command, very useful command for a batch file process. Okay, so thank you for watching this, guys. This is a useful command, and in next tutorial I'm going to get a new command with the new useful. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and visit my website. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.